Honeybee Health Honest review. Watch before using. Honeybee Health is an online pharmacy founded in 2017 by licensed pharmacists aiming to eliminate intermediary costs and provide affordable medication directly to customers or consumers. The platform offers over 6,000 generic medications serving a wide range of medical conditions and operates as a fully licensed pharmacy in 48 states. And here are the key features about this platform. They offer a wide range array of generic medication for various health conditions and also display medication price upfront, often significantly lower than the traditional pharmacies. Also provide affordable option without the need for insurance coverage, and also the features an intuitive website designed for easy navigate and medication search. And also it charges a flat rate shipping fee of $5 with free shipping on order over $40. And also here are the pros and cons about this platform. So starting with the pros, customer reports significant saving compared to traditional pharmacy and also holds on A plus rating from the Better Business Bureau on a 4.9 out of 5-star rate, which is average based on customers review. And if you want more customer review, just go to topconsumerreview.com, then you can get access to more customer review about this platform. And also they offer a users recommended the prompt and helpful assistance from the support team, and also simplifies prescription transfer and offer a seamlessly ordering experience. And here's the downside about this platform, which is the con. Well, so with the exclusive offer generic drugs which may not suit for all customers, and they does not provide insulin or other refrigerated medication due to shipping constraint. And also some customers have experienced longer delivery time than expected. And here's the overall conclusion about this Honeybee Health platform. So Honeybee Health present a cost-effective and customer-centric alternative to traditional pharmacies, particularly for those seeking affordable generic medication without relying on insurance. While the absence of brand names and refrigerated medication may limit options for some, the platform transparency, extensive selection, and high customer satisfaction make it a compelling choice for many consumers.